My name's Thomas Kroll. I'm the maintenance supervisor at Amalgamated Dairies Limited. It's a cheese production facility. Well, we do butter, milk, canned condensed milk. It's a cooperative owned by 180 different farmers, milk producers. eMaint on a daily basis is kind of the lifeblood of what happens at the dairy. Like, it manages all the preventative maintenance, it manages our inventory, purchase orders. Without it, it would be pretty hard to track all that stuff in one bucket there. eMaint, between all our sites, tracks everything's standardized, I guess, the way that we do it, all your tasks and everything, so I guess it simplifies everything that way. Our inventory system is all based out of one location, and our same as our maintenance team, and then we just dispatch what we need to do. I would say quite a bit cost savings, just by the way you track certain things and the way you're able to allocate different costs to assets. Our maintenance department is we're almost like a contractor for the company, the way we bill out individuals' labor. So it tracks and able to save some money there. It's having the different suppliers in the inventory side gives you a way to kind of track the costs of your purchases, and then you have, this company can get it to you faster, but it's more expensive, or this company you might have to wait a little longer, but you're gonna save some money. Our PM process is managed by myself and the quality control team. So they have kind of their own section that the employees do. I look after the maintenance ones. With teamwork, we kind of work together and build them out and then assign them to wherever they need to be. In eMaint, I'm gonna say probably 300 to 400 maybe, because we manage 6 different facilities.